how much investment you did last year on your personal growth. Was it less than 1% of your income? Let's say salary is 5 lakhs. See how much you invested whole year on your personal growth. Okay, how much you invested? It can be technical skill, it can be non-technical skill, either ways, whatever you invested. Less than 5% of your overall income. Between 5 to 10%, 10 to 15%, 15 to 20%, and more than 20%. Less than 1%, 27% people. Less than 5%, 35%. If you see, it goes exactly like a pyramid, isn't it? If you see, more or less people are not investing. This is the highest number, is this, less than 5%. And 5 to 10% is very less number, 20% if you observe. Practically in my study, whenever I've collected this data, I found only 10% people invest on their personal growth. Now, why is this crisis? I'll tell you. I really thought deep, and I was preparing this yesterday night, and final summary when I was preparing. I really thought, why are we so hesitant to invest on ourselves? We don't have problem investing on a pizza. We don't have problem investing on a vacation. We don't have problem in doing all these things. Even if it stays in your body for some time. If you eat a pizza, how long can it stay in your body? Then what happened? We got into a good company, let's say luckily, and the company had some investment mindset. So they were investing on us. Somewhere down the road, we got that entitlement mentality that our growth is somebody else's responsibility. If you rely on a company, they will only invest on you if that is solving their purpose. What if you are not in their limelight, you are not in the radar to invest? What will happen now? Confidence in yourself will always come based on your competence, and competence will come when you invest on yourself. Competence comes with a mindset. So I'll give a thumb rule. 5 to 10% of your income you should invest on yourself. Investment part, I'll tell you again two things here. One is technical know-how and one is personal skill. Now, personal skill is not soft skill. It is the life skill, by the way. Technical skill can give you a living. Life skill can give you a lifestyle. You have only left hand you have developed and you are only doing dumbbell with left hand. Your right hand is totally weak. Will you do that? Exactly, that is what it is. So technical skill and life skill are two hands of your body. How many of you have heard this? Practice makes you perfect. Now, if I tell you this is one of the worst lines you ever heard in your life, this is a myth. Will you agree? Practice makes you good in that practice area only, right? What if you are practicing wrong thing? Then what will happen? You will become perfect in wrong thing. Practice, evaluation, taking feedback, and then again, after changing, practicing is what you need. Learn something, then relearn again and unlearn the wrong behaviors.